In the following sum, we have to find the measurement of few angles. See the figure very carefully, what is given to you. First of all, there are two tangents, PA and what PB. From exterior point P, whenever two tangents are given to you from an exterior point, there is a chance of using a property of isosceles triangle, or these two tangents are what equals, something like that. Plus there is one triangle given in the circle, triangle what ABC. So definitely there will be some property of sum of angles in triangle. Because two measurements are given to you, 42 degree and 83 degree. The third one is missing. So we can use sum of angles in a triangle. Plus you can also use alternate segment theorem in this sum, because the triangle is there and the tangent is there, and the tangent and the triangle has got a one point in common, that is what point A and point B. So there are various possibilities. We can use tangent properties, we can use alternate segment property, we can use sum of angles in a triangle is what 180. Let's see what is required and what we can do in this sum. What do you find now? You have to find the measurement of angle PAB. PAB. Now you can see this angle where it is. See, I can find this angle PAB very easily if I know the measurement of angle ACB. Angle ACB is nothing but equal to angle PAB by which theorem? Alternate segment theorem. So it becomes very important for me to find the measurement of angle ACB. Now how to find this? Now see this triangle ABC. I got measurement of angle A and angle B over there. I got a measurement of angle BAC and I got a measurement of angle ABC. So can you find the measurement of angle ACB? Yes, very easily by using the property of sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Let's start doing it. So in triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB is equal to 180 degree. What's the reason for this? Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. By putting the values into this, what I get? 83 degree plus angle BCA plus 42 degree is equal to 180 degree. So BCA is what? Angle BCA is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. That is nothing but 55 degree. So what is 55 degree? Measurement of angle BCA. Now this angle BCA is nothing but equal to which angle? Angle PAB. What's the reason for this? Alternate segment theorem. So finally what I get answer? Measurement angle PAB is equal to 55 degree. This is the first part of the sum. See the second part of the sum, what I have asked you. Find the measurement of angle APB. Where is APB? APB. No problem. We can find it very easily. Now we got a measurement of angle PAB, that is what? 55. Similarly, the measurement of angle PBA will also be what? 55 degree. The reason is same, alternate segment theorem. So finally in triangle APB, what I got? Measurement of angle PAB, which is equal to what? Measurement angle PBA. So what is left now? To find the measurement of angle APB. How will I do this? Okay. Now in triangle PBA, measurement angle APB is equal to 180 minus in the bracket angle PAB plus angle PBA. What's the reason for this? Sum of angles in a triangle is what? 180 degree. That is nothing but 180 minus in the bracket 55 degrees plus 55 degree. That is 180 minus 110 degree, which will give me what? 70 degree. Now this 70 degree is nothing but what? Measurement of angle APB. So I got answers. What I got answers? The first answer is what? Measurement angle PAB is 55 degree. And the second is what? Measurement angle APB is 70 degree. See the next sum what is given to you. See the figure very carefully. I read the sum. Let's see what is given. The chord PQ of a circle is produced to R and RT is a tangent. Okay, no problem. What else? If TQ is equal to QR, see whenever two segments are given to equal, that means it definitely forms a isosceles triangle. Let's check it out. I'm talking about triangle QTR. Yes, it forms an isosceles triangle. So definitely the base angles will be what equal. Further, what is given? Angle QRT is 35 degree. QRT is 35 degree. Okay. Calculate angle PQT. Now where is PQT? PQT. Yes, you can see that angle over there. And angle PTQ. Okay, no problem. First of all, when two sides are given to me equal, that's a hint for me to start the sum. I'll pick up the triangle QTR. In triangle QTR, angle QTR will be equal to angle QRT, that is nothing but 35 degree. You know why? Base angles of an isosceles triangle. Further down the line, what do we get? I can get angle PQT, that is nothing but equal to angle QTR plus angle QRT. What's the reason for this? Exterior angle is equal to what? Sum of interior opposite angles. Yes, that is 35 degree plus 35 degree, that gives me what? 70 degree. So what is 70 degree? Is nothing but a measurement of angle PQT. Do we have to find PQT? Yes, see the first part of the sum says find the angle PQT, and the first part is what? Over. We move ahead, we go ahead. See angle TPQ. See it very carefully. Angle TPQ is equal to angle what? QTR. You know what's the reason for this? Alternate segment theorem. Therefore, what I get? Angle TPQ is nothing but what? 35 degree. Further, what else? In triangle TPQ, where is the triangle TPQ? TPQ. What I have? I have got angle PTQ is equal to 180 minus angle TPQ plus angle what? PQT. This is what? Sum of angles in a triangle is what? 180 degree. By putting the values, what I get? Angle PTQ is equal to 180 minus in the bracket 35 degree plus 70 degree. That is 180 minus 105 degree, which is 75 degree. So what is 75 degree? Measurement of angle PTQ. So I got the measurement of angle PTQ also. That's nothing but 75 degree. We got a measurement of angle PQT, that's nothing but 70 degree, and we got a measurement of angle PTQ, that is 75 degree. Sum gets over. Now we take a concluding sum on numerical values. We take a very interesting sum on numerical values. The next one. See the figure very carefully. What is given to you? If angle BPA is 40 degree, angle BPA is 40 degree. What else? Angle PAX is what? 55 degree. PAX is 55 degree. With the help of these two angles, we have to find certain things. What do you have to find now? We have to calculate angle BAY. That is what? Angle BAY. We have to calculate angle PAB, and we have to find angle PBA. You can find in any order, but I want to find all the three informations. See in the sum, it's very clear, it's very easy in fact. Let's go for it. Angle PBA is equal to angle what? PAX. Why? What's the reason for that? Yes, I think you're guessing the right thing. Alternate segment theorem. By this time you know what is alternate segment theorem. Yes, therefore a measurement of angle PBA is nothing but 55 degrees. So we have found one other thing. Let's move ahead. In triangle PAB, see the triangle very carefully. Angle PAB is equal to 180 minus in the bracket angle BPA plus angle PBA. Why we are doing this? Because sum of angles in a triangle is what? 180 degree. By putting the values, what I get? I get angle PAB is equal to 180 minus in the bracket 40 degree plus 55 degree. That is nothing but 180 minus 95 degree. After subtraction, what I get? I get 85 degree. So what is 85 degree? Angle PAB. You also have to find angle PAB. Yes, that's what you did right now. Angle PAB is what? 85 degree. Now there's only one thing left to be found out. What is that? Angle BAY. Angle BAY. How to find this? Now see over here. Angle BAY is equal to 180 minus in a bracket angle PAB plus angle PAX. By putting the values, what I get? Angle BAY is equal to 180 minus in the bracket 85 degree plus 55 degree. That gives me 180 minus 140 degrees. After subtraction, what I get? 40 degree. So what is 40 degree? Measurement of angle BAY. 40 degree. So I got a measurement of all the three angles which are required. So what are the answers we got? Angle BAY is 40 degree. Angle PAB is what? 85 degree. And the last one, angle PBA is nothing but 55 degrees. And the sum gets over. Now we take one of the most important sum of this chapter. I really mean it basically. You'll understand more when you see the sum. See the figure itself, what is given to you. Doesn't look interesting sum? It is interesting. Let's read the sum, what is given to you. Two circles intersect at A and B. Okay, there are two circles which are intersecting or meeting at point A and point B. What else? P is a point on one circle and the lines PAD and PBC meet the other circles at point D and C. Okay, that's just the information. Go ahead. PT is a tangent at point P. PA bisects angle BPT. When PA bisects angle BPT, that means it divides into what? 2 equal half. In short, what is given to you? That angle TPA is equal to angle APB because PA bisects angle BPT. This is going to be very useful when you do the sums. Okay, what is required now? Prove that CD is equal to what? CP. Okay, what else? Second part says PT is parallel to CD. For parallel proving, either we'll use converse of alternate angle test, or you are going to use converse of corresponding angle test, or converse of interior angle test, any one of this. Let's see what is there in this sum. Let's start doing the sum. First part we are doing it. We are trying to solve the first part. See now, angle TPA is equal to angle ABP. What's the reason? Yes, you're right. Alternate segment theorem. Further down the line, what I can get? I can write down angle ABP is equal to angle CDA. What is this for? What's the reason over here? Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. Yes, from above what I get. See, TPA is equal to angle CDA. How do you get this? Transitive property. Now, what is transitive property? If A is equal to B and B is equal to what? C. So can I say A is equal to C? Yes. This property is nothing but transitive property. Same property I have used in the previous finding. Okay. So what I get? TP is parallel to what? CD. Why TP is parallel to what? CD? Because angle TPA is equal to angle CDA, and these are what? Alternate angles. What are these? Alternate angles. By the theorem, by the concept of converse of alternate angle test of parallel lines. Converse of alternate angle test of parallel lines. What I get? TP is what? Parallel to CD. So this is the most important part of the sum is over. Now what I'll try to prove? CD is equal to what? CP. How do I go for it? Now see, in triangle CPD, what I've got? Angle CPD is equal to angle CDP. Okay? Therefore, triangle CPD is which triangle? When two angles are equal, it's an isosceles triangle. Because it's an isosceles triangle, so what I get? I get CP is equal to what? CD. This is a property of an isosceles triangle. That's what needed. So what I got it? CP is equal to what? CD. And finally the sum gets over. Now let's see this chapter from board point of view. Yes, I want to say from ICSE board examination point of view. It's a very important chapter, but obvious. It carries approximately 4 marks weightage. It means a lot. It can either be asked in section A or section B. From the past years, from the past experience, what we can gauge, what I can tell you, what we can advise you. It's mainly asked in section B. But it's going to be a good choice for you. You can click the sum very fast, you can do the sum very easily and capture what 4 marks immediately. So it's a good choice. Go for it. It's my advice, you go for it. A small revision will make you what? A very healthy choice for this chapter. Let's now see some typical sum which are come in what? Board examination on tangent properties. I'm picking up the first sum which has come in the year 2004. Sum is now next to you. We'll read the sum first. See what is given the sum. In the figure, that means figure is what given to you, you don't have to think much about the figure, drawing the figure. AB is the diameter. In this chapter, the moment the diameter is given to you, the first thing which comes in mind is what? Angle subtended onto what? Circumference is 90 degree. I think something like this has to be used in this sum also. What else? AC is a chord. Okay, no problem, go ahead. Such that angle BAC is 30 degree. So one of the measurement of angle is given to you. The tangent at C intersect AB produce at D. Okay, what else? Prove that. Oh, it's a proving sum. Good. It's a thinking sum. Prove that BC is equal to what? BD. When you see BC is equal to BD, see it is falling in triangle BCD. Definitely you have to prove it's an isosceles triangle. The moment you prove it's an isosceles triangle, the job becomes what? Easy, because you want to prove that BC is equal to what? BD. I have to move into this triangle. Let's go step by step. Let's proceed further. what I'll do the first thing. First thing is what? AB is produced on point C. Diameter subtended onto what? Circumference. Therefore, angle ACB is what? 90 degree. That's the first job. Now it's given to you BAC is 30 degree. Now this angle BAC is nothing but equal to angle BCD. Why? What's the reason? Alternate segment theorem. Therefore, angle BCD is what? 30 degree. The next step, the next thing what you can think. Angle CBD is nothing but total of angle BCA plus angle BAC. What's the reason for this? Exterior angle is equal to what? Sum of interior angles. That is nothing but 90 degree plus 30 degree, which comes to what? 120 degree. So in triangle BCD, we have got two measurements. We have to find the third one. How to find now? Angle BDC is nothing but 180 minus angle BCD plus angle CBD. That is 180 minus 30 degree plus 120 degree. That is 180 minus 150 degree, which comes to 30 degree. So what is 30 degree over here? Measurement angle BDC. Now in this triangle, you see very carefully, angle BCD is also 30 degree. Angle BDC is also what? 30 degree. So the base angles become what? Equal. Therefore this triangle becomes which triangle? Isosceles triangle. So what do we come to conclusion? That triangle BCD is an isosceles triangle. Therefore BC is equal to BD, sides of isosceles triangle. And the sum gets over. Now we see a next sum which has come in a board examination. We are talking about a sum which has come in the year 2006. See the sum which is next to you. In fact, it is very close to you. We read the sum. What is given to you? In the given figure, okay, what is given to you? PT touches a circle. PT is touching what? A circle. That means it is what? A tangent. What else? With center O at R. What is O? O is nothing but a center of a circle. And this line is touching on the circumference at point R. This is the information we have gathered up to now. What else given? Diameter SQ is given to you. The moment the diameter is given to you, I am saying once again to you, it's going to be a hint to you in your examination also. The moment the diameter is given to you, the first thing what I feel is what an angle which is formed by subtending the diameter onto the circumference. Same thing, we're going to use it in this sum also. Let's see further what is given. When produce meet PT at point P, if angle SPR is X degree and angle QRP is Y degree, prove that or show that, what did we show now? X plus 2Y is 90 degree. That is X degree plus 2Y degree is nothing but what? 90 degrees. We'll try to prove this now. See how do we go for it? How do we proceed further? See, the first step what I'm trying to show you is that PRT is a tangent at R and QR is a chord. That's the information which is given to you. From here what we get? We get angle QRP is nothing but equal to angle QSR. You know what's the reason for this? Alternate segment theorem. Therefore angle QSR is Y degree. Further down, what we can get, what we can try it out now. Angle QRS is 90 degree. How do you know it's 90 degree? Same thing what I told you. Diameter subtending onto the circumference will give you what? 90 degrees. Further, in triangle now, triangle PRS, sum of three angles is equal to what? 180. Sum of angles in a triangle. Now, which are the angles in this triangle? Angle SPR plus angle PRS plus angle RSP is nothing but 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle. Now putting the values over here, what I get? X plus y plus 90 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. That is nothing but x plus 2y is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. Finally what I get? X plus 2y is equal to 90 degree. That's what you want to prove. And we have done it. So what we have proved? What we have done it? X plus 2y is nothing but 90 degree. That is x degree plus 2y degree is 90 degree, and the sum gets over. Now see, when you look into the next sum which has come in the board exam, I'm talking about a sum which has come in the year 2006. It looks a very easy sum. See the figure. It's pretty straightforward sum. See what is there in this sum? In the given figure, AB is the diameter. Very lucky people. Like once again you get diameter. So what will you do when you get a diameter? Yes, your thinking is correct. The moment you get a diameter, you start thinking about an angle which is subtended from the diameter onto the circumference. What else? A tangent at C meet AB produce at Q. That's just information. Further, if angle CAB is 34 degree, angle CAP is 34 degree. Find, what do you find now? Find angle CBA and angle CQA. The first thing, the first foremost thing, AB is given to you what? A diameter. Therefore, angle, which angle? ACB will be what? 90 degrees. Angle subtended from the diameter onto the circumference. So, in triangle ACB, what have you got now? Finally, angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to what? 180 degree. That is, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. By putting the values into the formula, what I get? I get 34 degree plus 90 degree plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. That is, ABC is equal to 180 minus 124 degree, which gives me measurement of 56 degree. So what is 56 degree? Is a measurement of angle CBA. That was the first thing you want to find, and you have done it. Now we are solving the second part of the same question. I am entering into the second part. What is asked over here? Find the measurement of angle CQA. Now how to go for it? See what is given to you. CQ is what? A tangent. We'll try to use now alternate segment theorem. How do we get this? Angle QCB is equal to angle CAB. What's the reason for this? Alternate segment theorem. Therefore, measurement angle QCB is nothing but 34 degrees. Further down, we see a straight line. We got a linear pair. See over here, angle CBQ is nothing but equal to 180 minus angle CBA. 180 minus angle CBA, which will give me what? A linear pair. So 180 minus what? 56 degrees, which give me what? 124 degree. So what is 124 degree over here? Angle CBQ. Why I am doing all this? Because I want to move into the triangle now. Now in triangle, which triangle I am moving into? I am moving into the triangle CBQ. In triangle CBQ, angle CQA is equal to what? 180 minus, in the bracket, angle QCB plus angle CBQ. That is nothing but 180 minus, in the bracket, 34 degree plus 124 degree, which gives me 180 minus 158 degrees. After subtraction, what I get? I get equal to what? 22 degrees. So what is this 22 degrees? Measurement of angle CQA. So I got to answer what I wanted. Measurement angle CQA is nothing, 22 degrees, and the sum gets over. Let's take recap of this chapter. A short revision of tangent properties. That is what we have done in this chapter. A small recap of it. Okay, a small brain mapping of this chapter. To start with, what we did, see over here. What we did, with the help of tangents, we found the radius of the given circle. Then we went on to some proving sums. We proved that a given parallelogram is what, a rhombus. A very interesting sum it was. Yes or no? Yes. We have done the sums on rectangle property of circle. In short, we have done the problems using rectangle property of circle. Rectangular property of circle. Remember that? Yes. Two chords intersecting in the x3 of the circle. xa into xb is equal to xc into xd. Yes, that was rectangular property of circle. We have done few sums on that. Yes, perfectly correct. Then we went on ahead by doing the sums on. With the help of tangent, we found the missing angles. We did 2-3 sums on that. Tangents were given to you. We found the angles which were what? Missing. Then we went on doing the sums on alternate segment theorem. Yes, we have done number of sums on what? Alternate segment theorem. This is the way we have completed the chapter. It's a very easy chapter. Once again, a full revision of it, a good recap of it, a lot of practice of it will give what? Very good marks. So go ahead and do it. All the best.